In front of me is DOOGEE V30 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files section. Now to add an audio file, select Audio at the top of Recent Files and look for your file. You can also access it from one of those apps or by clicking on those two lines at the top left corner from one of those categories. Either way, after locating your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select this icon of a camera and the photo instead. And if your video is recent, click on it right away. If it's not, select the gallery and tap on it over here. Then choose Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, select Gallery, tap on Folders, and look for it the same way as for an audio file. Then hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!